Hey guys, this is my first video, so I'm sorry about the bad quality, but this is a really cool video. Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your iPod touch screen. A lot of you say that the cloth that Apple gives is really bad, but I found a way that's really good, and you don't have to buy chemicals for this. So let's go on. So try to find. As you can see, there's a lot of smudges on my iPod touch right now. A lot. I don't know if you can see that. So, yeah. So what you want to do is take this cloth and you just want to fold it this way and fold it again. And then fold it this way. And then fold it again that way. And you should want it to be like this. You want to make it really, really thick. That's the only way it works. And then you want to go from here to here, so the home button should be there and you should be going this way. If you go that way, all the smudge marks will go into your dock and it'll get cracked, so you might as well go this way. What you want to do is you want to tip this, go really slow but hard, not that hard to break your iPod touch, but okay. Just keep on doing it on one side and then go to the other side. Oops. Oh my god, I keep on clicking the home button. And then you want to go through the middle. No, that's not it. You see in the black parts over here, there's still going to be some marks. So what you want to do, take your cloth again. If it got ruined, just again fold it. And now you want to do it not the same pressure, but a little bit quicker. And there you go. It's shiny. You can do it on the back too, but I don't like to because yeah, it's always going to be in your palm and it'll keep on getting ruined, so I don't really like to, and no one's going to see that, so I do the screen. Remember to rate, subscribe, and comment. Bye.